Problem number 30 asks, 45 is 26% of what number? If necessary, round your answer to the nearest hundredth. So we have 45 is, well, that's our is number. 26%, that'll go in our percent position, over 100. And we're looking for the of what number? Well, that variable x will go in place of what number in the of position because we don't know what that is yet. We cross multiply and we end up with 100 times 45 is 4,500 equals 26 times x is 26x. Then we need to divide both sides by 26 so that we get x all by itself. And x equals 173.08. Remember that the first place after the decimal is the tenths position. The next place is the hundredths position. So I should have two numbers after the decimal place. Problem 31. The scale is 2 centimeters equals 35 meters. That looks like a perfect scale factor, which we know is a ratio. 2 centimeters to 35 meters is going to equal something. And it's going to equal something with the units in the same position, so we're going to have centimeters over meters. Now I can keep reading. 150 meters would be equal to what on a scale drawing? Well, I need to put the 150 meters where I have my meters unit and cross multiply. 150 times 2, 300 equals 35 times x. Divide by 35 to get x by itself. And we determine that x equals 8.57. Remember, we were looking for a unit in centimeters, so 8.57 centimeters. $32. The price of a train ticket from Orlando to Atlanta is normally $118. However, the train company is offering a special 75% off discount to children under the age of 16. What is the sale price of the ticket from Orlando to Atlanta for someone under the age of 16? Well, my what is statement would be what is in this case 25% of $118. And you'll remember that I'm looking for 25% because I have a 75% discount. 100% of $118 is $118. So 100% minus 75% would tell me that the price for a 16-year-old's ticket is going to be 25% of $118. So now I can start my what is proportion. I have an of statement. I'm looking for my what is. So my is x, of is 118 equals 25 over 100. $25 times 118 is 2,950 equals 100x. Divide both sides by 100. And we determine that x is equal to 29.50. And that was referring back to a dollar value, so we want our final answer to have a dollar sign, $29.50. Problem 33. While training for the Tour de France, Jean-Luc rode 72 kilometers on his bike in just 4 hours. Find the unit rate and show your work. So So we're looking for a unit rate. We were given the unit 72 km per 4 hours. And since we want to know the unit rate, our 72 is divided by 4. So I'm going to put 72 in the house. Divide by 4. 4 goes into 7 one time. 1 times 4 is 4. 7 minus 4 is 3. Bring down the 2. 4 goes into 32 8 times. 4 times 32 is 8. 4 times 8 is 32, which is a 0. Now I have a 0 remainder, which means I do not need to continue any further than 8. So 18 is my answer. What was 18 representing? 18 represents the number of kilometers now per 1 hour. So kilometers per hour.